What is going on, guys? Oscar here. We're back with another video. Hope you guys are having a great day today. Like I mentioned to you guys in the last video, I did say that I had a little mod for the Subaru today that was gonna go here on the taillights. I wasn't too specific about what it was, but like I said, if you follow me on Twitter, MB and Oscar, I posted what it was gonna be. So if you guys haven't already, follow me on Twitter, as well as all of us on any social media that we have. They will always be down in the description down below, so make sure to go do that. But today I have from you guys, or for you guys, some overlay that is going to be going right here on this taillight to smoke it, to get rid of this ugly clear part right here. Alright, so I bought this actually from a Premium Auto Styling. So if you guys don't know who they are, they're like this big well-known wrap shop here in the Southern California region, specifically like the Inland Empire. A lot of people know them. They've done a lot of cool wraps for a lot of cool people and everything. But I picked up some overlay. They have like these like cutout products that they make for a bunch of cars and stuff like that. You know, not just the Subaru. But if you guys are interested, you know, please check them out. Make cool stuff. And by no means is this sponsored or anything. I wish they are. But if you guys are watching this, hit your boy up with a wrap. You know, I'm down to wrap the Subaru. You know, you feel me? Okay, so one thing that I actually want to mention to you guys, I don't have a mini truck anymore. I know that sounds kind of weird, but I don't. And I'm going to show you guys what I mean by that. Okay, so I do still have the truck, but the truck is not lowered anymore. Yesterday, the truck was put back on stock suspension. It's got the stock leaf springs, stock tires, stock spindles. The only thing that it has maybe left is just the street performance shocks. And other than that, the truck is completely stock. The only reason why I had to put it back to stock is because my dad actually needed this truck to go to work. He has a 2003 Tacoma, and I was spending like at least like $150 a week just on gas, and you know, it wasn't very beneficial for him, and this truck only takes like $40 to fill up the whole tank. So that's why I just decided to put it back to stock and let him use it to go to work and everything. I actually just sold my wheels today to a subscriber who watches our videos, so huge shout out to you, man. Thanks for buying the wheels. Hope you enjoy them. I'm sure they're gonna look dope as hell on your mini truck and everything. But the wheels are gone. I sold them for a pretty penny. I just have the lowering leaf springs, like the blocks, and some carbon fiber shift knob. If any of you guys are interested, hit me up on my IG, description down below. Alright, so essentially this is what they look like. Well, they're supposed to be flipped up the other way, but they're good. These little things are going to go right up on that clear part of the taillight, as you guys can see, to get rid of that nasty part. I saw a quick little video online on how to do this. It seems pretty easy. Just need some water, a heat gun. I do not have a heat gun, unfortunately, just because I've never had to own a heat gun. So I'm going to be using my mom's hair dryer. I think this should work just fine, just in order to kind of like heat up the material a little bit in order to bend it and whatnot without kind of damaging it or anything like that. So I'm gonna take you guys along this process. Hope everything goes nice and neat. You guys saw the F1 taillight is still doing good, still works perfectly fine. But yeah, we got this going on today, and later on today Ricky got a couple goodies as well too for his TRD 86, so we're also going to be filming that as well too. But with that being said, for now we're just going to get this started and continue filming later on when he gets here. Essentially, you're just going to need a couple things. I'm going to be using a microfiber just so I can clean around the area. You're going to need obviously the material that's purchased. You're going to need this guy right here, the little plastic guard that I was telling you guys, and as well as that heat gun. But like I said, I don't have a heat gun, so I'm going to be using my mom's blow dryer, hair dryer instead. So that's going to work. This step is completely optional, but I'm just going to do it just so the product or the material sticks on a little bit better. But I'm going to be clay barring this whole piece right here. And this stuff to clay bar is just really simple. You just kind of grab a chunk out of whatever you're going to use, roll it up into a little tiny ball, essentially, or not ball, but like flatten it out to like a little pancake. You're going to grab your water, and then you're just going to spray around it like so. Just clay bar. It's going to get wet, but you know what? Yeah. So, this is it. You're just going to rub it back and forth until you feel no resistance. See, as you can tell, like, see, pick it up on the camera, all that gunk that's being taken off just from this clay bar. And that's stuff that can contaminate the product and then eventually cause it not to stick well, or, you know, the longevity of it, you know, is shortened by it. But when it gets just gunky like that, you just fold it in half, and then just start a new piece like that. Alright, the taillight is pretty much clean at this point. I don't think there's really much that I can really do. I'm just gonna put on some gloves just so if I have any like contamination in my hands, it doesn't get transferred onto the material. So just peel it off is essentially what you're gonna have to do. I have it right here, and all you literally do is just wet the back end right here. So the reason we're doing this is so we can make contact onto the taillight. We're gonna end up like squeezing out all of the water using our little tool that we have from them, but we're just gonna put it on right now. So it was just kind of like an on and off process, like a trial and error. It's just kind of have to align it and everything. It's not gonna be like 100% exact fit because it does go over into the red just a little bit, but I think it's just enough just to can get rid of all of the clear and the white in the taillight, which obviously this is what it's doing, and it looks fantastic. It's a cheap and easy fix just to get rid of that ugly clear in the bag if you don't like it. Alright, so the overlay has been installed. I don't know if you guys can kind of tell, but this is what the right hand passenger side looks like, and this is what the left hand one looks like. It's obviously some sort of a difference. You can tell that one's more clear than this guy right here. I'm going to show you guys what they look like when the emergency lights are on. So that's how it looks like. I'm just now realizing that looking at the footage that it's kind of dark to notice or tell by it. But as you guys can see, maybe that one's the one that's tinted, that's got the tint overlay, and that is the clear one. I mean, there's kind of like a difference you can really tell. Clear, not clear, clear, not clear. So you guys saw what it looks like. I'm not gonna bore you guys by showing you how to do it on the other side. You guys already saw me do it on the passenger side, excuse me. So it's pretty much you just repeat the same process over, over on the other side. But I'm gonna pick this up when Ricky gets back home. Like I said, he's got some really good parts that he's gonna be installing on his TRD 86 today. And I'm pretty sure you guys will enjoy it. So see you guys in a quick second. Just like that, we're back, guys. We actually have Ricky here now. He just got home from work. We're gonna be starting to put these parts on him. You want to tell him what you got?
I got a Mugen stroke mount brace, and then I got some carbon fiber parts.
You sure that's not plastic?
No, it's not plastic. Plastic don't cost over $100. I'm not Jonathan, buying over here some eBay parts. It's legit.
Oh, not Jonathan on it? Yeah. So what, this is just literally gonna come up here above the strut tower?
Yeah,
You're gonna
I have to take these out. I don't have to get rid of them. I have to take these out, and then from there, I just lay it on top of it.
That literally just goes on top of it like that.
Yeah.
Right
This is supposed to go first. Looks right, no?
yeah. So what was the reason behind getting this strut tower?
Because it was shiny.
That's it?
That's the only reason.
It's not.
Huh?
It's not a line.
No, it's only. I hope the hood closes. I think it's gonna close.
I think it'll close.
It looks pretty even.
Moment if you try to close it. See if I can close it now.
Oh god.
Just slam your head.
You just see it that fucking
I
pop
know.
out. It fits.
Get like tweezers.
Please hold this.
Fuck it, pulls in like that. Oh, no regrets at this point. Did it wipe? Oh, dude, this shit looks hard. Yo,
Oh, dude.
that looks tight.
Alright guys, so I didn't record putting the other side on because, I didn't think it would be that important since I already put one on. But here's the main piece that I. Oh shit! Oh shit! You hit the clutch, Bianca.
Wait, what?
The clutch.
Oh my god,
No, you have to push with your foot.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, there you go.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Here's the main piece that I love. Oh shit.
Oh, what? Dude, that shit looks tight.
This is the piece that I wanted. Damn.
Woo!
Alright, let's go, guys. Oh wow. It feels
Wow.
Stiff.
Horsepower, horse purse.
Oh shit.
Whoa, bro, you need to calm down. You can't coom already. Whoa. Stiff boys. Whoa. Oh shit. Bro, this car is fun, man.
Steering looks pretty straight.
Yeah?
Oh shit. Yeah, pretty straight look.
Sick. We're not dying, we're not crashing, so.
Oh.
Yup, Oof.
Second gear? Is that, oh, that was fourth. That's right. Say steering's pretty straight.
Yeah, I'd say so myself. Kind of. I think it's just because the road is uneven, that's probably why. What do you think?
It's cool.
Yeah.
I like the carbon fiber more.
Yeah, that's tight. That strut bar, you know, unless you're really using it on the track, it's not really going to be very useful. But it's still nice.
I got it because it was shiny.
Yeah, that's all that matters. Shiny chrome. Alright, well since it's actually pretty night outside, I actually want to show you guys the tail lights right now. And the reverse F1 light. Just because, you know.
Did you end up finding those overlays?
Yeah, I put them on already.
Oh.
Here.
Oh shit. Oh.
You can hardly even see that clear there anymore. There's nothing too crazy, so that's what they look like. Now watch this, the light on the bottom.
Oh shit.
It's so bright.
It's bright, dude.
It's tight. I'm really glad with those lights and everything. I actually got a next mod coming for you guys. Hopefully, if all goes well.
You bought another one?
Well, no, I have to go pick it up tomorrow. If all goes
I know what you're talking
if
about.
all goes as planned, it should liven up the car just a little bit more, and I think it should be a great little add-on to the car and everything. With that, and then maybe something else to kind of make it look a little bit more flush. You guys know what I mean? Know what I'm talking about? But yeah, do you have anything else to say?
Yeah, I'm waiting on Jonathan and Carlos to actually do stuff to their car.
Dang, call out to Jonathan and Carlitos. Bro, you already know.
Yeah, bro. They need to step up their game, especially the little man.
Damn. Alright, I think that's going to be it for today's video, guys. I just want to say thank you guys for every single one of you guys for watching today's video. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, share, subscribe, as it really does mean a lot to us. Ricky, Carlos, and Jonathan, who are somewhere over there. We will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Later.